If Daniel Radcliffe were a real boy wizard like his fictional character Harry Potter, he might turn the Academy into a toad. Why, you might say? Well, in an interview with Radio Times, Radcliffe revealed that he didn't think that the Oscars like commercial or kids' films unless Martin Scorsese directs them. Ouch. He also went on to say that he was slightly miffed, adding that there is a certain amount of snobbery that is disheartening. His film Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows Part 2 was absolutely loved by critics across the globe. However, it only has 3 Oscar nominations this year, all in technical categories. Daniel may be in the dumps with the Academy, but hey, who needs accolades when you're part of the highest grossing franchise of all time?